Blue whale, the largest animal on Earth. With a heart the size of a small car and a tongue that weighs as much as an elephant. As a baleen whale, it filter feeds on tiny krill, consuming millions of them in a single day to sustain its immense size. Despite its gargantuan proportions, the blue whale is a gentle giant, gracefully navigating the world's oceans from the poles to the equator. Humpback whale, instantly recognizable by its enormous, wing-like pectoral fins, which are the longest of any cetacean, reaching up to 1/3 of its body length. Humpbacks are the acrobats of the sea, famous for their spectacular breaching behavior where they launch their entire bodies out of the water and crash back down with a tremendous splash. They are also renowned for their complex and beautiful songs, long, haunting melodies sung by males that can travel for hundreds of miles underwater. These songs are thought to play a role in mating and communication. Sperm whale possesses the largest brain of any animal known to have ever existed and has a distinctively huge, square-shaped head that can make up to 1/3 of its total body length. This massive head contains a large reservoir of a waxy substance called spermaceti, which helps the whale with buoyancy and echolocation. Sperm whales are the champions of deep-sea diving, capable of plunging to depths of over 2,000 meters in their relentless pursuit of their favorite prey, the elusive giant squid. Their clicks are one of the loudest sounds in the animal kingdom. Orca killer whale, a highly intelligent and powerful apex predator, easily identified by its striking black and white coloration. Despite the name killer whale, orcas are actually the largest members of the dolphin family. They live and hunt in tight-knit, socially complex family groups called pods, using sophisticated cooperative strategies to take down a wide variety of prey, from small fish and seals to large whales. Each pod has its own unique set of vocalizations and hunting techniques passed down through generations. Beluga whale, a small, charismatic whale native to the Arctic and subarctic waters, distinguished by its ghostly all-white skin and a prominent, bulbous forehead called a melon. This melon is flexible and can change shape, which helps the beluga produce its wide array of vocalizations, earning it the nickname Canary of the Sea. Belugas are incredibly social and communicative, using a language of clicks, whistles, and clangs to interact with one another in their icy marine environment. Narwhal, often called the unicorn of the sea. This mythical-looking whale is famous for the single, long spiral tusk that protrudes from the head of most males. Scientists believe it's used to navigate, find food, and possibly compete for mates. These whales are celebrated for undertaking one of the longest migrations of any mammal on Earth. Each year, they travel thousands of miles from their icy feeding grounds in the Arctic to the warm, shallow lagoons of Baja California, Mexico, where they breed and give birth. Their unique feeding style involves stirring up sediment from the seafloor to filter out small crustaceans. Fin whale, the second largest animal on the planet, trailing only the blue whale in size. It has a remarkably sleek, streamlined body that earns it the nickname Greyhound of the Sea, as it is one of the fastest of all large whales, capable of reaching speeds of over 20 miles per hour. A key identifying feature is its asymmetrical coloring. The right side of its lower jaw is white, while the left side is dark gray, a trait not seen in any other whale species. Minke whale, one of the smallest and most abundant baleen whales, often seen in coastal waters around the world. Minks are known for being relatively shy and elusive, with a sleek, dark body and a pointed snout. They are incredibly fast swimmers, often appearing at the surface for just a moment to breathe before disappearing back into the depths, making them a challenge to spot and track. They have a varied diet that includes krill and small schooling fish. Bowhead whale, a true Arctic resident, perfectly adapted to a life in frigid, ice-covered waters. It has an enormous, triangular skull and a massive, curved head that it uses like a battering ram to break through sea ice up to 2 feet thick to create breathing holes. Bowhead whales also possess the longest lifespan of any mammal, with evidence suggesting they can live for over 200 years. Their thick layer of blubber, the thickest of any whale, provides essential insulation against the extreme cold.